My flight is delayed. Excuse me, can you help me? I think there is a problem with my flight.
Sure. What's your flight number?
It's B245 to London.
Let me check. Yes, I see it here. Your flight is delayed.
Delayed? Since when?
The airline updated it about 10 minutes ago.
Oh no, I didn't get any message about that.
Sometimes the app is a little slow. Let me check the new time for you.
Thank you. I was supposed to board in 1 hour.
Okay, here it is. The new departure time is 6:45 p.m.
So that's almost 3 hours later than the original time?
Yes, that's right. The original time was 4 p.m.
Do you know why it's delayed?
The airline says it's due to weather conditions.
Weather? But it's sunny outside.
It might be weather at the airport your flight is coming from.
Oh, I see. That makes sense.
Is this your first time flying with a delay?
Yes, actually. I don't really know what to do now.
Don't worry, I can explain your options.
That would be really helpful.
First, you can just wait here for the new departure time.
3 hours is a long time to wait.
You are right. Here is also a small lounge near Gate 12.
Is it free to use?
It depends on your ticket type. Do you have economy or business class?
I have economy.
Then it's not free, but you can pay for a day pass.
How much is the day pass?
It's usually around $35.
That's a bit expensive for just waiting.
That's fair. There are also some cafes near Gate 10.
That sounds better. Is it far from here?
Not too far, about a 5-minute walk.
Okay, I'll think about that.
There's also another option if you're interested.
What's that?
Since the delay is quite long, you could ask about an earlier flight.
Really? Is that possible?
Sometimes, if there are open seats on another flight.
That would be great. Can you check for me?
Sure, one moment, please.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I found one flight. It leaves at 5:15 p.m.
That's much better than 6:45.
Yes, but it has one stop in Paris.
Oh, I didn't think about a stop.
The layover is about 40 minutes.
Is 40 minutes enough time to change planes?
It's a bit tight, but it should be okay if there's no delay.
What happens if I miss the second flight?
The airline will help you get on the next available flight.
That sounds a little risky for me.
I understand. It's completely your choice.
Can I compare both options again?
Of course. Option 1, direct flight at 6:45, no stops.
And option 2?
Option 2, flight at 5:15 with a short stop in Paris.
Which one do you recommend?
It really depends on how comfortable you are with tight connections.
I don't really like rushing between gates.
Then the direct flight might be safer for you.
Okay, I think I'll wait for the direct flight.
That's a good decision if you prefer less stress.
Yes, I'd rather wait than risk missing a connection.
Understood. I'll keep your seat on the 6:45 flight.
Thank you. Now I just need to plan how to spend 3 hours.
You could get something to eat first.
That's a good idea. I'm actually hungry.
Here is a sandwich shop and a noodle place near Gate 9.
Which one do people usually like more?
The noodle place is more popular, especially for lunch.
Okay, I'll try the noodle place.
Good choice. Prices there are also reasonable.
How much does a meal usually cost?
Around $10 to $15 for a full meal.
That's not bad. Do they accept card payment?
Yes, they accept both card and cash.
Perfect. I only have my card with me today.
That should be fine then.
After eating, is there anywhere else I could go?
Here is also a small bookstore near Gate 11.
Oh, I like reading. What kind of books do they have?
Mostly travel guides, magazines, and some novels.
That sounds nice for passing the time.
It's a quiet place too, if you want to relax.
That's exactly what I need right now.
Would you like me to mark the locations on a map for you?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Here you go. The noodle place, the bookstore, and Gate 12 are all marked.
Thank you. This is really clear now.
No problem. Is there anything else you're unsure about?
Actually, yes. Will I get any notification before boarding?
Yes, you'll get a message about 1 hour before boarding.
Good, because I don't want to miss it while reading.
Don't worry, the boarding announcement will also play here.
That's reassuring. What gate will I board from?
It should still be Gate 12, but I'll confirm closer to the time.
Okay, thank you for checking that.
Of course. Also, since your flight was delayed by a while, you might get a small compensation.
Compensation? I didn't know about that.
Yes, some airlines offer a meal voucher for long delays.
Oh, really? How do I get that?
I can print one for you right now.
That would be wonderful. Thank you.
Here you go. You can use it at almost any restaurant in this terminal.
This actually makes the wait a lot better.
I'm glad it helps. Delays are never fun, but at least you have options now.
Yes, I feel much calmer than when I first came here.
That's good to hear. Was there anything confusing at first?
Actually, yes. I was confused about the compensation you mentioned.
What part was confusing?
I thought it might be a full refund, not just a meal voucher.
Ah, I understand the misunderstanding. A refund is different from a delay voucher.
Can you explain the difference?
A refund means getting your ticket money back if you cancel the flight.
And the voucher is just for food?
Yes, exactly. It's a small support for the waiting time, not a refund.
Okay, that makes more sense now.
Would you like to ask about a refund as well?
No, I still want to fly today. I just wanted to understand it clearly.
That's completely reasonable.
Thank you for clearing that up.
No problem at all. Is there anything else you need help with?
Actually, one more thing. Can I charge my phone somewhere nearby?
Yes, there are charging stations right next to the bookstore.
Perfect. My battery is quite low.
You should have enough time to charge it fully before boarding.
That's great news.
Do you have your boarding pass ready, just in case?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
Good, but I'd also suggest taking a screenshot in case your phone dies.
That's smart. I'll do that now.
Perfect. You're all set for the new departure time.
Thank you so much for your help today.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the noodle place and have a safe flight.
I will. This turned out much better than I expected.
I'm happy to hear that. Have a good rest of your day.
You too. Thanks again for all the information.
Anytime. Safe travels, Molly.
Thank you, Jack. I really appreciate your help.